You're the one,
Yeah.
Kara, who shops there?
Yeah.
So why you shop there?
They always give me the extra step in the way.
They go above and beyond, right? So that's something that the reason why we're shopping there is because they go above and beyond. Now, taking a look at the customer service, really what makes you go to a store and tell me if we're missing anything is honesty, reliability. I know what to expect. The people are just so nice. They're so pleasant to deal with. There's experience, ease of service, which means easy returns, great discounts. It's just so easy to shop there, how knowledgeable they are, and they really take us into consideration. We go above and beyond, right? Is there any other reason that we shop in particular stores?
Because it's spacious and big.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like-
because it's
It's
pleasant.
carriage accommodating.
Right. And what's very interesting with the carriage accommodating is